Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of grid line. It is golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because if we will successfully reset the settings, then it should disappear. So you will have the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore to defaults. Let's tap on it and tap on it again, and as you can see, actually nothing happened, but after getting back to the camera, you can see that this golden spiral immediately disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your OPPO A94. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.